Sonny. This is my bike check. So here we got the Diamondback headset cap. Yeah. Crazy. ODI long necks. Needle XLT bars. Mongoose Expert stem. I fucked all my other stems, so that's my last resort. Just your Vice headset cap. King Creek headset. Mirraco Muse 2012. It's really light. Spins nice. Probably not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. 2 months old. Vice forks. Vice hub, spokes, and rim. Innova 2.3 tire. FBM heart seat. Proper pivotal post. Black label plastic pedals. Vice cranks. Vice sprocket. KMC chain. McNeil Dobbs wheel. Vice spokes and hub. 9.2, 25. Fit FAF tire. 2.10. Yeah, here's the hub sound. It used to be a lot louder, but I had to replace the driver bearings. They fucked up them. Yeah. So it's a lot quieter. I'll show you some tricks. That's my bike check.